नाजरीन आदाब, रूबी डीजी केबल की खुसूसी पेशकश में मैं आपका मेजबान इनामुर रहमान गयूर हाजिर खिदमत हूँ। आज 17 सितंबर है और 17 सितंबर के दिन हम एक मौजू पर गुफ्तगू करने के लिए यहाँ पर पेश हैं आपके साथ, आपके सामने लिंगाला पांडुरंगा रेड्डी साहब को लेकर PhD FRAS। ये पांडुरंगा रेड्डी साहब फौज में कप्तान भी रहे हैं और गोरखा रेजिमेंट में कप्तान रहे हैं। ये गोरखा रेजिमेंट वो रेजिमेंट थी जो 17 सितंबर सोटू से को हैदराबाद में दाखिल होने वाली हिंदुस्तान की फौज थी मर्जर से पहले। पांडुरंगा रेड्डी साहब के तासुरात इस ताल्लुक से क्या हैं, उसके बारे में सवालात मैं करने से पहले या आप लोगों के करने से पहले मैं चाहूंगा कि पांडुरंगा रेड्डी साहब के ताल्लुक से आपको ये भी बता दूं कि ये इंतहाई सेक्युलर मिजाज के और हक के तालिब हैं। ये सच्चाई के स्टूडेंट हैं, ये ट्रुथ के स्टूडेंट हैं। इन्होंने बड़ी जाफिशानी से पिछले 60 साल के अरसे में मुसलसिल मेहनत मशक्कत करके मवाद इकट्ठा किया है, कई पेपर छापे हैं। इन्होंने जो है हैदराबाद पर, हैदराबाद की तारीख पर, निज़ाम दक्कन पर बहुत कुछ इनका रिसर्च वर्क है और अभी भी जारी है। ये अब डीलिट कर रहे हैं उत्कल यूनिवर्सिटी से हैदराबाद की तारीख पर। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग अपने सवालात उनसे रास्त तौर पर चाहें तो फोन पर पूछें। रूबी डीजी केबल इसी मकसद के लिए आज हाजिर खिदमत है आपके सामने। तो मेरा पहला सवाल जनाब पांडुरंगा रेड्डी साहब से, उससे पहले कि मैं उनको खुशामदीद कहता हूं कि थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर सर। आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी, आप तशरीफ लाए जी।
Thank you very much, Raman Saab. In fact, it is a great pleasure for me to come here to share a dice with you, at the same time to interact with our own people.
जी.
As you all know that we Hyderabadis, we have been divided by various factors, and still we are we have not made any attempt to come out of it, and people are taking advantage of us, and they are totally divided in the two groups. But what is, in fact, I'll answer your questions only in Urdu, but let me tell you very honestly, our history of Hyderabad has been totally distorted for interested reasons, and particularly it was the government of India later on, or Andhras. They went to that an extent. Ultimately, Nizam has been next to a Nero version of India. And at the same time, he perpetrated untold miseries. It is totally wrong. It is a travesty of truth and preposterous. In fact, when the people they talk about Nizam, they do not know his real name itself. They think that Nizam is a name. Nizam means administrator, officer. Whereas, see, when people make allegations against him, then ask that the total how many Nizams were there. Can you tell me in order? None of them can answer. At the same time, who are Muzaffar Jang? Who are Salabat Jang? They are not Nizams at all. They are pretenders to the Nizam throne. It was they gave to your so-called coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema to them, not Nizams. They are not Nizams at all. After second Nizam, Nizam Ali, then third Nizam Nasruddaulah, then Sirajuddaulah, Afzaluddaulah, then Mahbub Ali Khan Sahab, then last one Usman Ali Khan. They are only seven they are recognized, whereas Musharraf Jang and Salabat Jang, they are not recognized as Nizams. They are only pretenders to the throne, and they made all these problems. That's why, you see, when you read the history, the entirely is different. And another interesting thing, that the so-called Hyderabad Operation Polo is itself, name itself wrong, is the Operation Caterpillar. But people still did the Operation Polo. Then you ask, sir, we never heard of it. It is the government of India, they themselves, they wrote a book, what you know, the police action against Hyderabad. This is an official book, and it's a Ministry of Defence. They themselves, they said it's the Operation Caterpillar. Then you can ask me, then why people are saying the Operation Polo? You are very right. The question being simple. When they wanted to raid India, Hyderabad, they made Operation Polo. At that time,
सॉरी फॉर कटिंग यू शॉर्ट सर, एक कॉल आ रही है, कॉलर आपसे बात करना चाह रहा है, मैं आपकी इजाजत से कॉल लेता हूं। कॉल ड्रॉप हो गई गालिबन, फिर कॉल आ जाएगी, आप अपनी बात का सिलसिला जारी रखें सर।
Then immediately when operation they started, then they delayed it because of Kashmir problem, because of various other problems.
Call sir.
Then they said that Hyderabad is a very strong army is having, and they also got the report that Hyderabad is having aircrafts. Then they said that no, Hyderabad के ऊपर हवाई जहाज से भी हमला होना, That's why they revised their military plan and they called it Caterpillar. In the original Operation Polo, there was no introduction of Air Force as using of fighter planes. Whereas in Operation Caterpillar, introduction of Air Force to strike or to bombard Hyderabad city also with aircrafts. That's why Operation Caterpillar. But when they told other people, it is Operation Polo. But in reality, it is Operation Caterpillar. They themselves said in page number, I can see I brought it, because their own confusion, not me. They only say that, here I say that, the danger of some bombing hitting the civilian buildings near airfield. Code name for the operation against Hyderabad was changed from Polo to Caterpillar to ensure greater secrecy. I have not written, sir. This is what they themselves, Government of India, they said. And another interesting thing, when they send the troops to India, but from India to Hyderabad, they informed American Embassy, they informed High Commissioner of United Kingdom, that is England, they also informed High Commissioner of Pakistan. We are sending army to aid Nizam against the communists and Razakars. And they went to the extent of saying that the way America sent troops to Korea under General MacArthur to establish peace and tranquility, and they called police action. Similarly, our army in Hyderabad, they will be doing same police action against the communists. That's why it is known as police action. Without the people, they do not know what is police action. Because police action, the Truman doctrine, American President Truman said not appeal to the Russia and China not to interfere, because our army is not going there to occupy, only to establish peace there. Same, our Indian army is going to Hyderabad, not against the Nizam. Please mark my words again, not against the Nizam, against the communists and Razakar. That's a police action. But how many people they don't know? They talk police action. And another interesting thing, Nizam rule did not come to end on 17th September. Hyderabad did not join Indian Union on 17th September. If anybody says he doesn't know history at all, I have the proof. You will be surprised to know, Supreme Court gave a judgment at that time, Federal Court. One individual, particularly Janardhan Reddy and others, a communist, they were given death punishment by Hyderabad High Court. They appealed to the Federal Court. Then that came to 1951, Supreme Court said Hyderabad was a different country, we were not having any jurisdiction. This is a Supreme Court judgment, I have brought it here. Still anybody says Hyderabad joined in 17th under is a contempt of court, let them say, but Supreme Court itself they said. Then another interesting thing, even the book Government of India read, it has joined after many months. Do you know exactly what happened? Then this in 17th, when army was sent, actually what happened, army police action हर एक आदमी समझते 13 शुरू हुआ और 17 तारीख खत्म हुआ. नो, इट वाज स्टार्टेड ऑन 12th 12 तारीख. क्यों 12 तारीख बोले तो 11 तारीख रात में जिन्ना साहब इंतकाल हुए. Everybody was in despondent mood and with the deep pain, and Government of India took advantage of that situation and army was sent on 12th itself at 1:30. ये हमला सब लोग समझते 3, no, from 5 fronts they used 5 fronts. Then they used fighter planes at one time, you can well imagine. Then on 13th morning, our troops, Hyderabad, Government of India troops entered Naldurg on 13th. But unfortunately, our Hyderabad also, our own people deceived Nizam. L. Idrus, Chief of the Army Staff of Hyderabad, I am so sorry about it. He gave orders to his troops not to fight. In his own book you will find, you will be surprised to know, at least at the time of what is going to the battle, he said that he confessed, candidly confessed that he gave the orders not to fight. Then naturally they entered straight away into the Sundal. ये है इद्रूस साहब का, and in that he wrote very clearly, I gave orders. That's why Hyderabad army just entered it. There is no question of any fight. Our own people did not fight, and Nizam was put in the total dock. He doesn't know. Sorry, he didn't know what was happening at that time. That's why. And 17th September, what happened? Please listen. Only three things. Security Council को Hyderabad, this is very important. Hyderabad case Security Council लिखे गए. But again I blame Hyderabad officers. Why did they delay it? In September में लेके गए, इसका पहले लेके जाना था. They did not take it. Then whether Hyderabad case, because Nizam wanted to be independent. He never wanted to join with Pakistan. He never wanted to join with India. He wanted to be independent. At the same time, he wanted to associate with India. He wanted to associate with India, not against India. Then he asked me some time also, whereas these people, they pressurized. Then he went to the court. Then Security Council Chief Sir Congdon, he wrote the whole program. He put to the internal case. Then he put to vote whether it should be taken and admit this case or not. Security Council had 11 members. Of 11, 9 supported the Nizam, and 2, Soviet Russia and China, they abstented themselves. That means not even a single country supported government of India. That being the nature of history. And when I read this one, United States Library, in fact, I was thrilled at the same time. I was demoralized, because being in Hyderabadi, I felt that how the people cheated us. Again they said that Nizam prostrated at the feet of Vallabhbhai Patel. Again it's wrong. Totally wrong. And Security Council was supposed to meet on 17th. Then Hyderabad delegation said Hyderabad के ऊपर हमला हो रहा है, Hyderabad पर खत्म हो रहा है. Then Security Council emergency meeting was scheduled on 17th. हमारा बेखदम इसी unfortunate people we Hyderabadis, that 5.5 hours Greenwich Mean Time settled the fate of India. This information Government of India came to know. Immediately Vallabhbhai Patel asked Munshi, who was Agent General of Hyderabad, you must see, Nizam would come to Hyderabad radio station, and he would say that he would withdrawing the case from Security Council. That was the paramount importance of 17th. And by the time when army was coming and all, Liya Khali, everybody resigned. He became Akela. And in that, that brief was written by whom? By K. Munshi. In that, 3 important things. 1, Hyderabad army, he never said my army. Hyderabad army would surrender. 1. 2, Indian army could enter its own barracks, Secunderabad. 3, I am withdrawing the case from the Security Council. Those earlier 2 things were not important. What was important? I am withdrawing the case from unit. Immediately, All India Radio External Affairs broadcasted this message as flash. Then BBC carried. Then Security Council said, Hyderabad already Nizam already accepted the Indian Army is and all, and withdrawing the case. Then where is the question of sitting again, passing the ceasefire? That it was adjourned. I can say that after 1687, the fall of Golconda, what happened to Hyderabad or Golconda, same thing happened on 17th September, nothing more than that.